Hi, this is Steve Miloma. I'm in the property I purchased a few months ago. This is in Highland, Indiana. We completely demolished the house and they took all garbage out. We are now almost finished the framing. Therefore, I'm going to show you how we are making this house great. Okay, I'm in the living space. Then originally, there was a wall here. This is a door, and there's a wall. Then it was divided in between kitchen and living room. Then we took the whole wall out. And there was a stairs to the basement here. We covered the floor. Therefore, we completely connected a kitchen and also dining, then living space here. Then what you're gonna do is this. Okay, this is the kitchen area. This is a dining area. From here, cabinet starts all the way to this way. Then we're gonna make a few studs here. Then we're gonna extend the wall up to here. And this is a refrigerator, and the stove, microwave, dishwasher, and the sink. This is a kitchen area. And then connecting in the dining. Then here, as I said, we open the walls. And here we're gonna make a big island. Then of course we're gonna install 3 pendant lights, and then we're going to put the 3 chairs here. Therefore, when you come into the house, you can see the big living space and kitchen, dining, everything. Okay, completely open concept. All right, I'm going to show you the basement. As I said, we took the wall, we closed the floor of the stairs were located, and then we moved the stairs to here. Now, this is the entrance door. Then we're going to make a guardrail. Then we're going to go to the basement from here. As you see, we almost finished the framing work. Okay, as I said, this is the stairs. We just came down from the stairs. Then this is a family space. Then this is a beam. Okay, on this side of the beam, we are making 1 laundry room, and then some storage space. Then big bathroom and furnace and hot water tank room. Then this side, this is a family space, and then if you come this way, we made a big 2 bedrooms. Therefore, in the basement, we have a 2 bedroom and 1 family space, laundry and storage, and bathroom and furnace room. Okay, this is the basement. Also, in the basement, we already installed this kind of electrical conduit. We already installed cam light too. And then it takes maybe 2 more months to finish completely, but I'm gonna show you how this process goes. Okay, it's gonna be very exciting. Thank you very much.